How to understand cats' separation anxiety, signs and treatments. Cats can also have separation anxiety, so it's not just a problem for dogs. Like people and other animals, cats form strong bonds with the people who care for them. This can make separation anxiety a real problem for some cats. Let's talk about what cats experience when they are alone, how to spot it, and what you can do to help your animal friend. How do you explain separation anxiety in cats? Cats can get separation anxiety, which makes them feel upset or scared when they are away from their owners or main caretakers. This stress may come from the close connection they have with people and how much they depend on them for safety, comfort, and habit. Does your cat get anxious when it's left alone? Cats don't all have separation anxiety, but some may act in ways that make you think they're upset when you leave them alone. When you see these signs, you should be careful. 1. Too much vocalization. If your cat meows a lot when you leave or when you're not there, it could mean that it is upset. Or destructive behavior. Cats may scratch furniture, doors, or walls when they are left alone without being watched. Inappropriate elimination. When cats are anxious about being alone, they may pee or defecate in places other than the litter box. 4. Changes in appetite. When left alone, a cat with separation anxiety may eat less or not at all. 5. Over-grooming. Your cat may be stressed if it grooms itself too much, which can cause hair loss or skin inflammation. 6. Hiding. Cats may hide in quiet parts of the house when they think you're leaving or when you're not there. 7. Following you around. It might look cute, but if your cat follows you around, even to the bathroom, it could mean it is scared of being alone. Common signs of anxiety about being apart. If you notice these signs right away, you can help your cat deal with their worry and get the help they need. You can do the following. Make a safe space. Put your cat's favorite toys, blankets, and scratching posts in a cozy spot in your home. This might make them feel safe when you're not there. Set up a routine. Cats like routines, so try to make sure that their daily routine stays the same as much as possible. You can help your cat feel safe and at ease by giving it regular times to eat, play, and snuggle. Gradual desensitization. If your cat gets nervous when you leave, start by leaving for short periods of time and slowly add more time to your absences. This can help them get used to not having you around and boost their confidence. Provide enrichment. Give your cat puzzle feeders, interactive toys, and climbing structures to keep its mind busy. This can keep them from getting bored or anxious when they're at home by themselves. Think about companion animals. If it's possible, getting your cat another pet to play with can give them company and social contact when you're not there. Talk to a veterinarian. If your cat's separation anxiety is bad or lasts for a long time, talk to your vet. They can rule out any underlying health problems and may suggest behavior modification methods or medications to help you deal with your cat's stress. Get professional help. Working with a trained animal behaviorist or a qualified cat trainer can help cats who are having trouble with separation anxiety in some situations. If you know how to help your cat deal with separation anxiety and know the signs, you can make them feel safer and happier when you're not there. You can help your cat get over their nervousness and do well when you're not around by being patient, consistent, and loving. How old do cats have to be before they feel this way? Separation anxiety can happen to cats of any age, but it happens more often in kittens and grown cats who are very close to their owner. Especially kittens may have separation anxiety as they get used to being away from their mother and litter mates. It's important to remember, though, that not all cats will get separation anxiety. A cat's temperament and life experiences can affect how likely it is to develop this disease. Do the way I treat my cat personally cause this? The way you feel about your cat and how well you get along with them can affect their behavior and mental health, including how likely they are to get separation anxiety. Here are some ways that the way you treat and talk to your cat can affect how safe and confident they feel. Consistency and predictability. Cats like things to stay the same and be predictable. It can help your cat feel safer and less likely to get anxious when you're not around if you regularly meet their needs. Give them a stable environment and stick to a regular daily routine. Bonding and love. Spending quality time with your cat, being friendly, and showing love can help them feel closer to you. This can help them feel safer and more sure of themselves, both when you're with them and when you're not. Understanding and empathy. Being aware of your cat's feelings and needs and acting with understanding and empathy can help them feel safe and trusting. Pay attention to what they say and do with their bodies, and try to address any signs of pain or anxiety right away. Don't punish your cat. Harsh treatment or punishment can make your cat lose trust in you, which can make it scared and anxious. To encourage good behavior, don't punish bad behavior. Instead, use positive reinforcement and redirection methods. Environmental enrichment, giving your cat a stimulating and enriching surroundings with lots of chances to play, explore, and think can help them feel less anxious and bored. They can stay busy and happy when you're not there with interactive toys, scratching posts, and climbing platforms. For the most part, building a trusting, caring, and understanding relationship with your cat can help lower their risk of separation anxiety and improve their general health. Will this change if I leave my cat with someone else, even if it's just for a short time? Yes, even short-term leaving your cat with someone else can make them feel unsafe and may make them more likely to develop separation anxiety. This is especially true if your cat is very attached to you or isn't used to being away from you. But the effect will be different based on a number of things, such as bond with the caregiver. If your cat has a close relationship with the person who will be taking care of them while you're away, it can help them feel less stressed. Getting to know the caretaker and your cat ahead of time and letting them spend time together can help build trust and comfort. Duration of separation. Cats may be able to handle short-term separations better than longer ones. Increasing the length of time you are apart from your cat over time and giving them good things to do during these times can help them adjust more easily. Quality of care. Making sure that the person taking care of your cat knows your cat's needs, likes, and habits and can give it the right care and attention can help lessen the bad effects of being away from it. When you get home, how you greet your cat when you get back can also affect how they behave. Giving them love and encouragement can help them feel safer and more sure that you haven't left them. Leaving your cat with someone else may temporarily throw off their routine and cause them some stress. But you can lessen any negative effects and make the transition easier by taking steps to make sure they are healthy and giving them positive experiences while you are gone. When will my cat no longer feel anything? How long your cat's separation anxiety lasts depends on a number of things, such as their personality, how bad their anxiety is, what you do to help them, and how consistently you do those things over time. Cats may eventually get over their separation anxiety if they get the right help and advice. They may learn to deal with being alone better. It could take weeks, months, or even longer for this to happen based on the cat. However, it's important to remember that for some cats, separation anxiety may be a problem that lasts a lifetime and needs ongoing care and support. You can help your cat feel safer and more at ease when you leave them alone, but it might not go away fully. You just need to keep working at it and use the right techniques. If you are worried about your cat's separation anxiety, or if it doesn't go away no matter what you do, talking to a vet or a trained animal behaviorist can help you and your cat in the best way possible. They can help you come up with a complete plan to help your cat deal with its worry and feel better all around. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.